Our next question, point from a dipole where electric field equal to 0, is very interesting because quite unlike our expectations, here we are now looking at electric field of a dipole where one charge is twice the other. So naturally you can see minus q is minus q, while the other is plus q. Charge usually is double that of minus q, so the magnitude is double. So we have the usual option somewhere between A and B, somewhere on the left of minus q, somewhere to the right of 2q. So in this problem, see, literally we can only take an estimate, a guess estimate of the situation by drawing electric field lines, because we have no values, no calculation to be done. So this is a purely conceptual problem. And in this case, for this conceptual problem, let us look at some similar diagrams just to get us an idea of where the solution can probably end up at. So here you go. As we look at the solution over here, you can see for clearly, right? If the charges were equal, because in the first situation, clearly the charges are equal, right? Plus q and minus q. Then naturally, the point of a point where the electric field is 0 can only occur probably on the left or right of the charges, because it cannot be somewhere between A and B, and it cannot be somewhere on the right bisector of the line joining A and B. So automatically the options A and D have been ruled out because of the diagram that we see for equal dipoles, and this is the diagram which we are most familiar with. So when the case that the charges are in fact equal and like charges, right? If the charges are equal and like, then the point at which electric field is equal to 0 can be in the middle, because then the field lines are actually diverging away, right? So in that case, you can have somewhere between A and B. But in our situation, it's clearly given it's minus and plus. So both charges are opposite to each other. So in that case, the most logical place for the electric field intensity to be 0 is if you are on somewhere on the left of q. So somewhere to the left of minus q is the most logical place where you can have electric field intensity equal to 0. So again, just reiterating the fact that this is a purely conceptual problem, and you just need to solve questions that are coming in this line of thought based on the logic of how the field lines are drawn for a system of charges. Thank you so much, dear students.